tayo, mamimigay pa tayo ng more pop blessings. Kaya naman, let's play...
Anong Tagalog ito?
Lalaban para sa pink team, sina IC at Waki. Pambato naman ng green team, sina Aifa at Jason.
Okay, girls. Simple lang tong game na to. Meron tayong mga Tagalog phrase na kailangan nyo pahulaan sa inyong teammate. Pero, bawal mag-Tagalog.
Yes.
Habang nagpapahula, you can only speak in English.
Okay,
Perfect,
na, Kuya
that's
Kim.
me.
Unahin na natin ang pink team, IZ at Waki. Si Waki ang mag-English at si IZ naman ang manguhula. Players, pwesto na.
Pwesto na.
Excuse me, can you please
sir.
translate that in English? Can you translate that in English? English, please.
Go to your position now. Yeah!
Yun lang pala
Akala
yun.
mo, matalino yan si Faith. Wala lang sa itsura, no?
Okay.
You have 1 minute and 30 seconds.
I'm ready.
TikTok clock. Happy time now. Number 1.
I love you.
Mahal kita.
Whoever you are.
Mahal kita kahit sino ka pa.
Whoever you are.
Mahal kita kahit ano ka pa.
Dapat eksakto,
Mahal kita
I love you. Whoever you are.
Mahal kita maging sino ka man.
Number 2.
Points!
I will ride to you.
Right?
I will ride you
Right? Sasakyan kita.
in everything you like.
Sasakyan kita. Sa lahat ng gusto mo! Si points!
I want to... I want to let go. I want to let go.
Gusto kong pabayaan ka.
Ano?
Gusto kong bitawan ka. Gusto kong
Dapat eksakto.
lumayas ka.
Malapit ka na.
Hindi ako lalayas dito. Oh. Gusto ko... I want you to let go. I want you to let go.
Pass.
Pass. Number 4.
No strong bread, hot.
Walang matibay, ay walang matinik na.
No strong
Walang
bread.
matigas na tinapay sa
Hard.
mainit na kape.
Carpet.
Number 5.
You go there. You go there.
Time
You go
is
there.
up.
Okay.
Ano ba yan?
Time is up. Naka 3 points
3
naman
points.
sila,
3
Kuya
points,
Kim.
not bad.
Oo,
Not
teka
bad.
lang.
How many
Tignan natin kung mas maraming mahuhulaan ng Green Team this time. Si Kuya Jason ang mag-English at si Aifa ang manguhula. Pwesto na players.
Okay, Aifa and Jason.
We got 3. Beat that,
It's
yo.
only three. Make it five. Okay.
Okay, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds. TikTok
TikTok
clock.
clock. Happy time now. Number 1.
If you want, there's a way, and there's a lot of way. And if you don't like,
Kung gusto mo, may paraan.
yeah. If you don't like, there's a reason.
Kung gusto mo, may paraan. Kung ayaw, maraming dahilan.
Galing. Number 2.
Oh my goodness, what is this? Miss, temptation, go away. Temptation, go away. Temptation.
Botok solayan mo ako.
You are the cooking the rice, but then other is eating.
Ako ang nagsaing iba.
No, you
Ako
are cooking. You cooking the rice. You
Ako?
cooking the rice. Yeah.
Ikaw ang nagsaing.
Others
Ako
is
ang
eating.
kakain.
Others
Dapat eksakto.
eating.
Ikaw ang nagsaing, iba ang kakain. Ripo! Iba ang kumain.
Correct. Okay. Number 4.
Only a few, a little.
Konting.
You know, sing.
No. Konting paningin.
No. The others past tense.
Konting tingin. Konting tingin lang. Konting tingin. Konting patingin.
Nahuli ba? Nakuha yung panghuli.
Wait,
Time
with
is
the
up.
heart, breathing.
Hoy, nakalabang ng isa. Green Team, 4 points!
Wow! Ang galing naman ni Kuya Jason! Kamusta yun? Teka
Kamusta
lang.
naman natin ang Pink Team? Pink Team, ano naman ang inyong experience for today?
Ay, ang saya, pero dapat kami yung panalo.
Yes.
Eto na, up next, isang tiktropa ulit ang may chance ang magpaikot ng ruleta. Fiesta Ruleta batadad na sa pagbabalik ng...
TikTok Live!
video na ito? Abay, very good ka! For more happy time, watch more TikTok Lock videos on our official social media pages and subscribe to GMA Network official YouTube channel.